Once a famous actor and star of the film industry, Bruce Willis doesn't remember he was once a big actor of Hollywood. He is facing aphasia and frontotemporal dementia. This legend actor was diagnosed with frontotemporal dementia in 2022. Now his condition proceeded of not able to speak and read and even to walk. However, this year, 2025, his family issued a statement confirming his conditions are going stable. Medical science explains that frontotemporal dementia affects the brain parts that are concerned with a person's personality, behavior, and language. FTD, frontotemporal dementia, takes its source from Alzheimer's disease. Some years ago, he was performing a stunt in Die Hard, and he suffered thereafter a loss to hear. It is notable aphasia is a sort of brain damage by which one can't speak, write, or mimicry after injuries to the brain. Unfortunately or fortunately, his last words were, "Nothing can keep me down." But except for his family, he can't recognize his friends and circles. His wife Emma Hemming is keeping his care. Even his ex-wife also visits him regularly. His last movie, Assassin, was made in 2023. Originally, its title was Die Like Lovers. Unfortunately, lifetime expectation ranges from 7 to 13 years. Usually, the patient dies of pneumonia. Die Hard is the famous movie of Bruce Willis.